Hi students, today we can study exercise 7.3 question number 4. Question number 1, 2, 3 already we are completed in previous video, isn't it? You can see I given in here in this I button that video also you can check. Then we can start today question number 4. Find the area of quadrilateral whose vertices taken in order are -4, -2, -3, -5, 3, -2 and 2, 3. In here the vertices of quadrilateral given. We have to find out area of quadrilateral. First we can draw one quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means any figure with 4 sides. One quadrilateral. Just give name A, B, C, D. This given vertices also we can write first -4, -2, then -3, -5, 3, -2, 2, 3. These are the given vertices. You can write that. Given vertices of quadrilateral are first A means -4, -2, B -3, -5, C 3, -2 and D 2, 3. We already studied one formula, that is area of triangle. We have not studied area of quadrilateral, isn't it? Then this quadrilateral we can divide. Just join A and C. That time you will get two triangles. First triangle is ABC. Second triangle is ADC. You will get two triangles, isn't it? First we will find out area of triangle ABC. Then after we will find out area of triangle ACD. We will get area of both triangles. Then just add. What you will get? We will get total area of this quadrilateral, isn't it? That is the step. First we can consider triangle ABC. For area of triangle ABC. Triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC. Already was studied one formula, isn't it? Which formula? 1/2 x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 x3 y1 minus y2. Right. This is like one formula was studied, isn't it? We are consider A, B, C. 3 points. You can write this is x1, y1. This is x2, y2. Then x3, y3. Only A, B, C. Equal to 1/2 into, what is x1? x1 is -4. -4. Then y2 minus y3. y2 is -5. -5. Then this minus y3. What is y3? y3 is -2. Plus x2. x2 in here -3. -3. Then y3 -2 minus y1 is -2 plus x3. x3 is 3. y1 -2, then this common minus, then y2. y2 means -5. Equal to 1/2 -4. What will get in here? -5 minus plus 2, isn't it? -5 plus 2 will get -3. Check it. -5 plus 2. Then 5 minus 2. 3 you will get. Then in here -5. 5 is big number, that sign is minus. That's why we can write minus 3. Then plus into minus, we can write minus 3 into minus 2 minus minus plus. Minus 2 plus 2, 0. Plus 3 into, in here also, minus minus plus, that means minus 2 plus 5. How much? Minus 2 plus 5, that is 5 minus 2, we will get 3. Equal to 1 by 2 into minus 4 into minus 3 plus 12. Then 3 into 0, that will be 0. Then 3 into 3, 9. Equal to 12 plus 9. We will get 21 divided by this 2. Equal to, we can divide 21 divided by 2, how much you will get? Check it. 21 divided by 2 into 1 time, then 2, nothing, write 1 downside. Then 1 divided by 2 we cannot do, isn't it? Add 1 0. That time you have to add 1 0 in answer. Why? Because first I brought 1 downside, then only I add 0, isn't it? 2 process together, that's why you have to put 1 0 and point. In 10, 5 times, 10.5 square units. Square units. We got area of first part, area of triangle ABC. Then after we will find out area of triangle ADC. We can see that also. Area of triangle, second triangle name is ADC. ADC equal to 1 by 2 into, we can use same formula, but that time x1, x2, x3 will change. We can write ADC. This is x1, y1, this is x2, y2, then next x3, y3. Like that, take it. Then use this formula x1 in here minus 4. Minus 4 into y2 minus y3. y2 is 3 minus minus 2. 3 minus minus 2 plus next x2. x2 is 2. 2 into then y3 minus y1. y3 is minus 2 minus minus 2 minus then y1 is minus 2 plus then x3 into y1 minus y2. x3 is in here 3. Then y1 minus y2. y1, what is y1? y1 in here minus 2. Then minus y2. y2 is 3. Then just solve it. 1 by 2 minus 4 into 3 minus minus 2. That means 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2, 5 plus 2 into, in here what you will get? Minus 2, in here this is plus, isn't it? Minus 2 plus 2, 0. Plus 3 into, in here minus 2 minus 3 minus 5. Equal to 1 by 2 into minus 4 into 5 minus 20. This will be 0. Last part minus 3 into 5, 15. Equal to 1 by 2 into minus 20 minus 15. 20 plus 15, you can write 35 equal to minus, just divide 35 divided by 2, will get 17.5. You can divide, if you don't know means 35 divided by 2, 1, 2, 1, 5 in 15, 7 times. Yes, 7 into 2, 14. Then 1, add 1, 0, 1 point. In 10, 5, 17.5. Then in here we got minus 17.5. Area cannot be negative, isn't it? We can write, therefore, area of triangle ADC equal to 17.5 square units. This minus sign no need to use, write in bracket, since area cannot be negative. That's why we took positive. Just pause the video, write down. Then we can write area of quadrilateral ABCD equal to area of first triangle. Area of first triangle is ABC plus area of second triangle is ADC. If you add area of ABC and area of triangle ADC, you will get total area of quadrilateral, isn't it? That is 10.5 plus in here 17.5. Keep in mind, don't write minus 17 point because area cannot be negative. If you got answer minus also, you have to take that is plus positive. What will get 10.5? 17.5 .9 then 2. You will get 29 square units. That is our area of our quadrilateral. I think nothing is there. Already you have studied one formula, area of triangle. Same formula we are used 2 times. Then just add that answer. Only one thing, keep in mind, this negative don't write in this part. Always take positive. Now we can see question number 5. We know that already we have studied in class 9. The median of triangle divides it into 2 triangles of equal areas. First we can see what is median. Just consider one triangle. Triangle ABC. ABC. Then we can see this BC, midpoint of BC in here. I just give one name, that is D. That is midpoint of BC. Then if you join A and D, this AD is known as median of this triangle. Okay, if you join midpoint of opposite side and this vertex, you will get median. That AD, that line is known as median. Then we have to prove where median of a triangle divides into 2 triangles of equal area. You can see in here 2 triangles. First triangle is ADC, this triangle. Then second triangle ABD, this triangle. 2 triangles you can see. Then our question, we have to prove the area of this ADC and area of triangle ABD will be equal. That is our question. Then all vertices given. A means 4 minus 6, then B means 3 minus 2, then C is 5, 2. First we can find out the coordinate of point D. So given vertices of triangle ABC, A means 4 minus 6, B 3 minus 2 and C 5, 2. For coordinate of point D, we can write midpoint of D means midpoint of BC equal to, that is D. Okay, we can write 2 divided by 2, then y1 plus y2 divided by 2. This is section formula for find out midpoint. Then x1 plus x2. What is x1? We can consider this is x1, y1. Second point x2, y2. Then x1 plus x2, that is 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5 divided by 2. Then y1 plus y2. y1 is minus 2 plus 2 divided by 2. What you will get? 3 plus 5, 8 divided by 2. We can write 4. In here, minus 2 plus 2, 0. 0 divided by 2, 0. Now we got the coordinate of point D, that is 4, 0. We can write that 4, 0. Now, what is the next part? We have to prove the area of these both triangles are equal. First, find out area of triangle ACD. Now, area of triangle ACD equal to, already you have studied one formula. Write that formula, area of triangle 1 by 2 x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. How you can study this formula also I told previous video. You can check that. Just pause the video, write down up to here. One by 2, then x1, y2, y3, everything we need. We can write A, C, D, this part only, that is x1, y1, this is x2, y2, this is x3, y3. Then x1 is 4. 4 into y2 minus y3. y2 is 2 minus 0 plus next x2. x2 is 5. Then y3 minus y1. 0 minus 6. Then x3. x3 is 4. 4 into, then y1 minus y2. y1 is minus 6 minus 2 equal to 1 by 2 into 4 into 2 minus 0, 2 plus 5 into minus minus, that will be plus 6, 4 into minus 6 minus 2 minus 8 equal to 1 by 2, 4 into 2, 8 plus 6 into 5 into 6, 30 minus 4 into 8, 32 equal to 1 by 2 into, we can add 8 plus 30, 38. 38 minus 32, 6. Then 6 and 2 cancel 3 times. You got 3 square units. This is area of triangle ACD. Now we will find out area of triangle ABD. Again, area of triangle ABD equal to 1 by 2. We can use same formula, no need to write again. x1, y1, everything will change. Change it. ABD, that is x1, y1, this is x2, y2, then next x3, y3. x1 into x1, what is x1? x1 in here 4. 4 into, then y2 minus y3. y2 minus 2 minus y3 is 0. Plus x2 is 3 into y3 minus y1. y3 is 0. 0 minus y1 is minus 6 plus x3. What is x3? 4. Then y1 minus y2. y1 is minus 6 minus 2 equal to 1 by 2. 4 into, in here, minus 2. Minus 2 minus 0, that will be minus 2. Plus 3 into minus plus 6. Then 4 into, in here what you will get? Then minus plus 2. Minus 6 plus 2 will be minus 4. Minus 6 plus 2. 1 by 2. Then 4 into minus 2 minus 8 plus 3 into 6 18. 4 into 4 16. 1 by 2 into, in here what you will get? Minus 8 plus 18, that will be plus 10. Plus 10 minus 16 is minus 6. Cut it. You will get 3. Minus 3. We got answer minus 3. Already you know area of triangle cannot be negative, isn't it? That means we can write, therefore, area of triangle ABD equal to 3 square units. We got minus, but we have to take positive. Write in bracket, since area cannot be negative. That is the reason. Now we got area of triangle. First triangle ACD is 3 square units. Then ABD, that also 3 square units. We can write, hence area of triangle ACD equal to area of triangle ABD. That is our question. We have to verify, isn't it, that two areas are equal. Okay, verified. Next question, question number 6. Show that the points P minus 3 by 2, 3, Q 6 minus 2 and R minus 3, 4 are collinear. In here they are given 3 points. We have to prove that points are collinear. What is collinear points? Just consider 3 points P, Q, R. 3 points. If you join that 3 points, if you get one straight line, that time we can say these 3 points are collinear points. Then just consider another point A, B, C. Just join that. What is this? This is not straight line. That means we can say points A, B, C are not collinear. This is not collinear, but in here that points are collinear. Collinear points means 3 points, 3 or more points on the straight line. That points are known as collinear points. Then how can prove given points are collinear? Then look, these points are collinear. Using by these 3 points, can you make any triangle? Sure, you cannot make any triangle, isn't it? Then you cannot make triangle means area of triangle will be 0, isn't it? Then how can find out area of triangle? Already you have studied one formula, isn't it? Using by that formula, find out area of triangle. In case if you get answer is 0 means that 3 points are collinear. Using by these 3 points, we can make one triangle, triangle ABC. These points are not collinear. That's why we can make one triangle. Given points are first point P minus 3 by 2, 3. Q means 6 minus 2 and R minus 3, 4. 3 points given in here, isn't it? Then find out area of triangle. Area of triangle P, Q, R. Because we don't know that points are collinear or not. We have to prove, isn't it? Then find out area of triangle PQR, that is 1 by 2 x1 y2 minus y3 x2 y3 minus y1 x3 y1 minus y2. This is the formula for area of triangle. Then 1 by 2, this is x1 y1, next point x2 y2, next point is x3 y3. Give all the values in this formula. x1 is minus 3 by 2, y2 minus 2, then this minus, y3 is 4. Then x2 is 6, y3 is 4 minus, y1 is 3. x3 is minus 3, y1, what is y1? 3. 3 minus, y2 is minus 2. Just give all the values in this formula. 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2 into minus 2 minus 4 minus 6. Then 6 into 4 minus 3, that will be 1. Then plus into minus, we can write minus 3 into 3 minus minus 2, that will be 3 minus minus, that will be plus. 3 plus 2, 5. 1 by 2, cut it 3 times. Then minus 3, 9 plus 6 into 1, 6. Then minus 3 into 5, minus 15 equal to 1 by 2. 9 plus 6, 15 plus 15, isn't it? Plus 15 minus 15, that will be 0 equal to 0. When you find out area of triangle, we got answer 0. Answer 0 means that 3 points are collinear points. That's why only we got answer. We cannot make any triangle using by that 3 points. Therefore, given points are collinear. Now we can see next question, question number 7. If PXY is any point on the line joining the points A0 and B0B, then show that x divided by A plus y divided by B equal to 1. In here, one line segment given, we can draw that line segment. N points are A and B. The coordinate of A already given, that is A0. Then B means 0, B. Then one more point, that is PXY is any point on the line joining the points. That means P means any point in between A and B on the line. We can consider one point P. Coordinates given, that is XY. Now we can see these 3 points A, P and B on the line, on the straight line. That means these 3 points are collinear, isn't it? That's why what we can write. We can write a given points are collinear. Points are collinear means area of triangle. Area of triangle equal to 0. Because we cannot make any triangle, that means area will be 0. Then area of triangle, already we studied one formula, that is 1 by 2 x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2 equal to 0 we can write, isn't it? Because this is the condition for collinear, area of triangle will be 0. We can write 1 by 2 into x1. What is x1? x1 is a. y2 minus y3. y2 is y minus b. y minus b plus x2 is x. Then y3 minus y1. y3 is b minus y1. y1 is 0 plus x3. What is x3? x3 is 0. Then y1 minus y2. y1 is 0 minus y2 is y equal to 0. Then in here remove bracket. This 1 by 2 you can bring to right side. That will be 0 into 2. Already 0 is there. This 1 by 2 become 2. Then a into y. ay minus a into b. ab plus x into b. xb. x into 0. That will be 0. Then 0 into this term. That will be 0. Then remaining we will get ay minus ab plus xb equal to 0 into 2, isn't it? Then we can rearrange ay, this ay plus xb, this minus ab bring to right side, that will be plus ab. If here nothing, 0 into 2, that will be 0. Then this all the time just divide by ab. We can write ay divided by ab plus xb divided by ab. Right side ab is there, ab divided by ab. We can write divided by ab. Why we are divided by ab means, check it in your question. Right side we need 1 equal to 1, isn't it? In here ab is there, ab divided by ab, you will get 1, isn't it? Then cut it, you will get y divided by b, then b cut it, x divided by a, then ab divided by ab is 1. We have to prove that y divided by b plus x divided by a equal to 1. Hence proved. Now we can see question number 8. Question number 8 is last question from this chapter. Find the area of triangle whose sides are along the lines x equal to 2, y equal to 0 and 4x plus 5y equal to 20. Then in here 3 equations given, that 3 equations of lines representing 3 lines. Then using by these 3 lines we are going to make one triangle. We have to find out area of the triangle. In here they are given some equation. Then using by that equations we cannot find out area of triangle, isn't it? If they are given 3 vertices given means we can find out area of triangle using by that, already we have studied that formula, isn't it? First we will find out the vertices of triangle. Then we will use that vertices, we can find out area of triangle. Then write given. First equation is x equal to 2, equation number 1. Then next y equal to 0, equation number 2. Then 4x plus 5y equal to 20, equation number 3. 3 equations given. First we can use from equation number 1 and 2. 1 and 2, that time x value is 2, y value is 0, isn't it? X equal to 2, y equal to 0. We can write coordinate of joining point. That will be x value is 2, y value is 0. Directly we can write. Then if you draw x equal to, we will get this like one line. Then y equal to 0, we will get this like one line. This is y equal to 0, this is x equal to 2. What is joining point? X value is 2, y value is 0. This joining point you will get 2, 0. I written 2, 0 using equation number 1 and 2. Then next from equation number 1 and 3. We will use equation number 1 and 3. That time equation number 1 already given, x equal to 2. Then equation number 3 is 4x plus 5y equal to 20, implies 4 into, what is x? X value already they given 2, isn't it? 4 into 2, 5y equal to 20. What you will get? 4 into 2, 8 plus 5y equal to 20. 5y equal to 20. 8 bring to right side, that will be minus 8. Then y equal to 20 minus 8, 12 divided by 5. We got y value is 12 divided by 5. Can write coordinate joining point. Second coordinate, what is x value? X value is 2. Y value we got 12 divided by 5. This is second coordinate. Just pause the video, write down in your notebook. Now we will use second equation and third equation. From equation number 2 and 3. What is equation number 2? I already written in here, y equal to 0. Then equation number 3 is 4x plus 5y equal to 20. Then this one we can write 4x plus 5 into, what is y? Y is 0 equal to 20. Then x equal to 20. This 5 into 0, that will be 0. This 4 bring to right side, that will be divided by 4 equal to 5. Then we can write coordinate of a joining point, that is x value is 5, y value is 0. Coordinate of joining point means the joining point of second equation and third equation, 2 lines, isn't it? Now we got 3 coordinates. Then what we will do? We will find out area of triangle. Area of triangle, that is 1 by 2 x1 y2 minus y3 x2 y3 minus y1 x3 y1 minus y2 equal to 1 by 2. What is x1? Already we got first point, that is 2, 0. This is like one point we got it, isn't it? That will be x1 y1. This point is x1 y1. Then second point is x2 y2. The last point is x3 y3. 3 points we already got it. Then x1 is 2. Then y2. What is y2? y2 is 12 by 5 minus y3 is 0. x2 is 2. Then y3 is 0 minus y1 is that also 0 plus x3 is 5, y1 0 minus y2 is 12 by 5. 1 by 2 into 2 into 12 by 5, then plus 2 into 0 minus 0, that will be 0, plus 5 into 0 minus 12 by 5, that will be minus 12 by 5. 5 and 5 just cancel, and then remaining 1 by 2, 2 into 12, 24 divided by 5, then in here 2 into 0, that will be 0, then minus 12 equal to 1 by 2. In here take LCM, LCM will be 5, isn't it? Then 24 minus this 2 multiple, you will get 60. 5 into 12, 60. 1 by 2 into 24 minus 60, you will get minus 36 divided by 5. Multiple 1 into minus 36, minus 36 divided by 2 into 5, 10. 36 divided by 10, you will get 3.6. Therefore, area of triangle equal to 3.6 square units. We cannot use this negative because area cannot be negative. That is our answer. We can write in bracket since area can be negative.